Where's the feed?
It's in the back of the truck. It's not even sleeting, it's just raining.
That's what you don't want.
Look how much water there is.
You got the lock in?
No.
Might want to do that. I think you should have went the other way this time.
No, I have to go. I have to go through here so I can check on my water and everything. We made it. I gotta keep my momentum.
Hold this.
Once we get over this little lump, we'll be all right. Like, hey, put your foot off the other side and kind of help. There we go. Come on.
Come on, little. You know we're gonna get in trouble by your daddy.
Well, I mean, there ain't nothing else we can do.
Wow, we're going sideways. Don't flip us. Seriously.
I'm trying to stay in this trench to keep me from sliding over the hill.
Woo! Looky there.
It's not froze.
The water's. Oh, what is this? I'm for sure we should have went through that. Stay up that way.
I'm trying, but it ain't working.
Not the fence.
Calves are kind of confused. My head.
Did it come out? You about fell.
Awful big helper.
You couldn't do this without me.
Don't necessarily want to.
Look at the icicles on the hay. Good morning, Eleanor. Ferdinand, 2:30, 09, Merriweather. Come on, Gracie May. Come on, Gracie May. Well, it is raining. It's 32 degrees, but they all do look good. So gave them a little extra feed, and we'll keep a good watch on them.